back guys, we're at Wednesday, we're on hump day, we're getting there. This video we're going to look at tip, strikes, throws, manipulation.
From the chair.
From the chair. So don't forget guys, give us a like, thumbs up, comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, please share, like a warm hug on a cold winter's day.
You may have seen that previous video on the tip strikes. It's quite a nice one from the Chris.
There'll be a link down there at the end.
There will be. So what we're looking at, axilla under the arm, we're looking front of the chest, and then later in the video we're going down towards the groin. So if Chris has actually got contact with me, you can use the tip to strike in, to repel. You could use the tip in to move him into position you like. If your cane's in the other hand, using the thumb on the back of the hand in this position, I can use it to throw. It's a leverage point, that's what we're looking at today, just leverages.
Leverage.
Leverages.
Leverage.
Leverages.
Tomato.
Tomato. And back to the half cane, we're using the crook end. So if Chris has come in again.
I'm grabbing you violently.
Yep. I'm using the crook, basically as I would use a hand. But I'm coming up, under the axilla, and I'm going to push through to this way. If I've got the momentum, I can push him offline.
And hit me in the face as well.
There's always a bonus to this technique. I know there's always a bonus. Now we mentioned under the arm, in front of the shoulder. You can actually use the back of the shoulder as well to give this sort of movement. you held on for as long as you could, didn't you?
Yep.
Again, controlling the arm, pulling through, come to the elbow, and I've got a nice little armbar. As the videos progress, you'll see the double taps, you'll see the little spin moves and stuff like that. Because it's cold today, and we had a nice little storm last night, I'm not going to be standing at all. So Chris,
thank you,
is going to finish this off standing for me.
So I'm in the chair. Callum's going to grab me in a violent, brutal manner. And for the ease of our exercise, well, it doesn't matter because even from here, straight away, nicely done.
We'll do that way?
Yep. So depending where your cane is, if it's here, nice and easy. He doesn't like
Nice.
it's not nice. That's the key phrase. Inside of the arm here, you can link it in with other techniques. So we have our roll here, and we're in here as well. But what I want to do, I mean, I don't have to do a lot really, do I? But again, even with his hand there, if I push, I'm not using a lot of effort. If that's not there, but if I can push, this leads into hooking, and then I've got my other balance points. Not that I drive him into me. So you can use it. This actually works better seated than it does standing. If that's coming in, that's going to be my guard. But I've got these nice points. We've talked about these points. You know what they say? It's better than a poke in the eye with a sharp stick. This is a blunt stick. If you've got the ferrule on. If I go for the throat and I miss, I can then come into our other techniques and I've got it here. Nice and simple. But what we want to do is throw them. So how are we going to do that, I hear you ask? If he comes in, we'll do it from a nice simple grab. Right hand grab. Nice and easy. As we always say, there are so many things you can do. I need to break his balance. So from here, I'm going to do the hip. Instantly his balance is gone, his head's dropped forward, leads onto the crook, and I'm not having to use very much power to bring him down. You would make that a rather nasty neck strike, drag, and pull it in, elbows in, as we said before. The key is, if he's got a nice solid stance, and I try and throw him, I'm not going to win. You need to break the balance on one of these points. Neck, brilliant. Elbow, and there's another one. So I've got elbow, locked him off, hip, double tap, push, and the classic break the balance technique. All his attention has suddenly disappeared. Knees forward, it's bringing in nicely. I've broken his balance, he's off balance. So you're using the tip to control them, and ideally you want to make them play by your rules to get them into the position that you want. Next time we do this, we will do this aggressively. So if it doesn't work, as we always say, we're not going to fall for it. Spleen 11, spleen 12. I'm just going to use a little bit of pressure. That is truly unpleasant.
Well, congratulations for getting through Wednesday and getting through another video of ours. Again, we would use this. You will give me all your money. You will...
You're very hypnotic.
Am I?
Yes.
You will subscribe to the channel. Does it work?
Well, I've subscribed.
Brilliant. So again, we got through Wednesday.
Keep your hands down. Keep going, keep going.
We're just friends. Got through Wednesday. We got through Wednesday. You've seen another technique. Again, this is just something to put in your toolkit. It's not the be all, it's not the end all, it's not a knockout, it's not a one kill move. It's just something you may find yourself using if the situation arises. Now don't forget, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, comment down below, let us know if there's anything you want to see. Constructive comments please, because we're getting a few lately that...
I know I'm short and I know I'm bald, but thank you for pointing it out, otherwise I might not have noticed.
Yeah.
As always, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's irritating, isn't it?
I like it.
You've got to think about the tip, haven't you? Please ring the bell. I don't know what it'd be like coming like this, wouldn't it? Oh, is it down there?
Mm-hmm.
I thought the bell was up there.
How many weeks are we going to go through this?
I don't know. And, as always, please share.
It helps with the algorithm. It gets us out there. They're playing with the algorithm at the moment. So some of our content is not getting notified even to us.
Who's Al?
Hmm?
Who's Al?
The owl.
Al. Keep going on this bloke. Al. The rhythm. It's like, oh, when I saw that movie with Hugh Jackman and Russell Crowe. Which one was Les? This is about this film called Les Miserables. Couldn't see him anywhere. It's all you.
I'll do it today. Free the fear, guys.
That was the worst Free the Fear outro ever.
It's because you're too lazy to do it yourself.
Minor epic.
Yes, sacked.